What are the best assets to trade on for beginners? In this video, I'm going to show you guys what I trade, the assets and the time frames that I trade with. But first things first, if you're a beginner, I definitely recommend going on a higher time frame. Now the indicator that I'm going to be using to take these trades is EzAlgo. Hit the first link in the description if you'd like EzAlgo for yourself. It is the best buy-sell indicator, works across any market on any time frame. So it's not just a cryptocurrency indicator, it works for Forex, stocks, anything, right? You name it. So this was a sideways range, right, for about a week, right, on a 30-minute time frame. And if you're a beginner, I definitely recommend trading on a time frame like this and waiting for those high probability setups. You don't need to be trading 10, 15 times a day on the 1 minute time frame to become profitable. In fact, I'd actually bet you'd be more profitable going on a higher time frame, such as the 15-minute plus, even something like the 3-4 hours, as crazy as that sounds. The trades on those kinds of time frames will be very profitable, especially if you're using this indicator and the levels provided. So when you see a sideways range like this, you're only looking to be taking trades at the low and high levels. Now, what does that mean? Well, EzAlgo actually has automatic support and resistance levels built in, right? And you can use these levels from any time frame, right? I could use the 1 hour support and resistance on the 30-minute time frame. So you can see the confluence down here. There's a lot of support down here. So the buys that we want to be taking are going to be down at these levels, right? These are the trades that we want to be taking, right? These trades, and you can go down to a lower time frame if you want to get that good entry. And as you can see up here, we also have a confluence in resistance levels, right? Now this is a support now, but at the time this was a resistance level. So the shorts that you want to be taking are up, at these levels, right? This was once a resistance level. At these levels is where you want to be taking your shorts when it's in the middle of a range, right? Like for example, I'm not going to take this buy signal. Actually this could have, I think this was a support level at the time. The support and resistance levels change as the market fluctuates, obviously. But even still, right, you want to be taking these buys down here at the support level, right? Keep that in mind when you're taking trades. You want to be waiting for those high probability setups. Wait for price to come to a level on EzAlgo and then enter the trade that way. Now, the buy and sell signals on EzAlgo are used as confirmation. So you don't really want to be basing your trades off the buy and sell signals. Now, I do know people that have done that and are still profitable on a higher time frame. But the bread and butter of this strategy is using the EzAlgo support levels. So the reason I like Matic so much when I'm trading is one, because the charts are often very smooth and consistent. It's easier to find the overall trend when you're trading a smaller cap coin like Matic, and also the gains are a lot better, right? If you took the sell at this resistance level, I mean, it really came all the way down, to this support level at the time, which was a almost 9% gain in a day. So if you're using, 10x leverage, you can double your money in a day or two, right? Again, we come down to this support level right here. Maybe you wait for the buy signal, okay, whatever. Take profit at the next resistance level, which I think was around here at the time. So, another 6% gain in 7 hours. Don't even get me started on trades like this where we come down to a support level, get that buy signal. This one came up. This one came up around 15% in less than a day. So Matic is the first asset that I would recommend you to trade on. Now, if you're brand new to trading and you've never traded a day in your life, use very low leverage or no leverage at all. I actually wouldn't even recommend leverage until you get the hang of entering and exiting trades. Once you have that down, you can slowly start to add leverage, of course with a small dollar amount, a small position size. You don't want to be going all in on your first couple of trades, especially on an altcoin like this, where the swings can be pretty crazy, right? I mean, imagine you took the sell signal right here. You could have been down almost 2%. So if you're using 30, 50x leverage, there's a high chance that eventually you're going to get liquidated in some of these trades. Obviously, not every trade is going to be a winning trade, but if you keep the levels in mind, a majority of them will be. For example, we wouldn't take this buy signal because we're already at a resistance level right here. You're taking a buy signal right into a resistance level. So why would you take a buy at a resistance level? Why would you take a short at a support level? Same thing right here. I think this candle closed like right around here. You're not going to take a sell when you're right at a crucial support level, right? This had been a huge area of interest for the past, couple of months, right? So you're not going to short a long-term support. All right, the next coin is Sol, right? Solana USDT. Now, I love trading this coin. I've been trading this coin for a while now. It is one of my favorites. If you keep the EzAlgo levels in mind and you take shorts when you're at resistance and you take longs when you're at support, this win rate is very high. Now, it's crucial that you don't take trades when you're in the middle of the range. I know I keep saying that, but I think I had someone message me today saying, what do I do if I get a buy signal but I'm not at a support level? Well, the answer is you don't take the trade. If it's not at a support level, why would you take the trade? That's not a high probability setup. I like to wait for those high probability setups. And Solana is also really good on the 15-minute time frame, right? I trade Solana a lot on the 15-minute time frame. Now, of course, I obviously recommend trading Bitcoin. Bitcoin is great for beginners because the swings aren't too crazy, right? When you get a sell signal, comes down to support, 2% move, whatever. Get a buy signal, goes up, 4%, but you're not going to get stopped out at like 5%, right? When you're trading Bitcoin, the percentage gains aren't as much. That's also better for beginners since they won't get wrecked. So I do recommend trading Bitcoin, and I'm waiting for a short right now here at this golden pocket level that I've been looking at. And this is kind of a bonus, but for Forex, I recommend trading AUD USD. Rob in our Discord trades this religiously and is consistently compounding his account from $500 to, I think it was over 100K like last night. And he does this consistently, compounding on AUD USD. And I really like this this Forex pair a lot because the levels are absolutely insane. Now, I remember a couple of days ago, this was a support level on EzAlgo, right around here, and this was a resistance level. It's still a resistance level now. So what you're doing when you're trading AUD USD is you're waiting for swing failures at these levels, right? You're waiting for swing failures at these levels. And I remember price came right down to the support level and immediately rejected, right? And if you're compounding your account, these gains can be pretty incredible. All it takes is 3 to 4 good trades to 5, 10, 20x your account. And I'm going to start compounding very shortly. Again, comes back up to this resistance level. What do you know? Gets immediately rejected. And the buy sell signals absolutely kill it on AUD USD. And I recommend this for scalping. So if you're looking for a Forex pair to scalp, use the EzAlgo levels on AUD USD with the buy sell signals as confirmation. Great pair to trade. And if you're a beginner trader and you want to start trading Forex, this is the pair I recommend. Please leave a like on this video if you have enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel for more trading content. That's it for me. I'll catch you guys next video.